What is up, Diode TV? Today we are going to be extracting this broken off bolt in this subframe where the seat mounts of the YZ250. We've got the extractor drill set. Here's a little extractor tool, and then there's the drill bit already on there. We're gonna start with a punch just to make a little spot where I'm gonna start drilling at right in the center of this thing, just so it's easier to start the there we go. All right, now we got a little spot. Make sure this is spinning to the left, it's tight. All right, here we go. Make sure you're straight. Start drilling it out. There it is, right through. All right. Good job. All right, now we got this. Give it a couple taps. See if I can turn this bugger out of here. Oh, there it goes. Moved a little bit. Oh yeah. It's coming. But it's definitely working its way out. There it comes. There it is. Just like that. Looks like it still has threads too. Nice.